Guys, do you want to know how to install VS Code on your Ubuntu operating system? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you complete setup of VS Code. So let's start the video. So guys, if you want to install VS Code, so you need to go to this app option, and herein guys, you simply search Visual Studio Code, or even you can type code, and here you can see it's showing me the option of Visual Studio Code. Just select it, and guys, once you select it will redirect you to this page, and herein guys you can see Visual Studio Code it is showing, and it is not installed on my system. So I'm going to simply click on this install button to start the installation. So guys, it will ask you password, so enter the password and click on this button, and then guys you can see the installation has been started. It will take a while. Okay guys, so you can see the installation is done, and here it's showing me the button for opening the VS Code. So you can open here, or you can just go to apps option and you can open from there also. So I'm just clicking on open button, and herein guys you can see the Visual Studio has been started, and this is a welcome screen. I'm clicking on this mark as done, and now guys you can use this VS Code for creating and running your applications. So guys, if you really like this video, do hit on like button, and if you have any query you can put in comment box, and guys share my videos to your friend. And guys, I'm there on different social media, and all my media handler I have given in description box. I'm having website also, there I provide free tutorials related to coding and programming. You can just visit my channel. You can just visit my website. The link is in again description box. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.